These are our chili cheese dogs. Okay guys, we're gonna make some chili cheese dogs that are gonna blow you away. We're making, and we are gonna go ahead and we're just gonna use a casserole dish. Okay, I'm just gonna set our hot dog rolls right in here. Just gonna let them right there. We're gonna cook 6.
We've been getting settled in. I'm sorry it's taking so long to return. This is basil out of our
I'm so glad. You know why? Because I needed to do a recipe today and I didn't have no fresh basil and I was going to use the fake fresh.
And there's some king Arthur flour because we thought you could put it to good use.
Aww.
So, but thank you. You've been wonderful bringing stuff over to us.
Thank you. Oh my gosh.
Thank you, Frannie.
You're welcome. Thank you very much. The buns I'm using today are the market side brioche buns. I like them. So we have our hot dog buns. I just popped them right in this casserole dish. We're going to cook 1 pound of hamburger, but we'll only use half of it. But we're going to go ahead and cook the whole pound. Okay, just going to put it right in. Just going to break it up with our hands a little bit. I'm going to dice up 1/2 of an onion. And we're not going to put this in our hot dog chili. We're going to make our own hot dog chili. And you can also freeze that hot dog chili if you make enough of it. But we're also going to use the other half of the hamburger. We're only going to cook, like I said, we're only cooking half of that hamburger. Now this is great for any kind of barbecue, any holiday weekends coming up. This is simple and easy. You don't even have to go outside if it's too hot, or you just don't have a grill, or you're in an apartment, or you just want a chili cheese dog without all the fuss. This is it. Ooh, my eyes are burning. These onions are very fine. We're just going to throw them in this little jar. And then if you want to have a leftover hot dog, you'll have some leftover onions. Or if you want to make something, you've already got your onions chopped up. So it's a great way to store onions. So our raw onion is ready. We can keep this in the fridge until we're ready to use it. Okay, so we have our rolls, we have our chili started, and now we're going to get on those hot dogs. I've also preheated my oven to 350 degrees. Now we're going to cook up our hot dogs. These were frozen, and so I'm going to go ahead, I didn't have any that were not frozen, so I'm going to go ahead and throw them right in this other frying pan. I'm going to take half this hamburger and put it right in our bowl. We're going to take 2 teaspoons of chili powder. See, our hot dogs are beginning to cook a little bit. We're going to put in a little bit of water, about 1/4 of a cup of water right in our chili. We're going to let that cook off. Okay. We're going to put in about a tablespoon of prepared mustard. And about 1/4 of a cup of ketchup. Okay, guys, we are just going to put this chili right in our bowl and top our hot dogs with it. This is just the way we make hot dog chili here, and it's delicious. We have our hot dogs done, and they got a little bit of char on them. By cooking them in the pan, they got just a little char. Love that. It's like throwing them on the grill. And I like, when I eat a hot dog, I want my hot dog to, you know, I don't want it all bun. I want it to have more hot dog than I do bun. Now, some people like more bun. I like more hot dog. I have some just regular shredded cheese. And we're just going to start putting them in our bun. And then we're going to lay our hot dog right on top. I might need a bigger pan. I forgot that I have to have the hot dogs in there. Okay, I think I'm going to change out this pan. I just sprayed it. Put some cheese in this bun. Okay, now we're going to take our hot dog chili and we're just going to pop it right on top. These are so messy, but they're so worth it, guys. Chili cheese dogs are worth it. Say you're tired, it's late, you come home, you don't know what to make. Prep out your chili and freeze you some. You've always got hot dog chili. And it's a lot less expensive than going out and getting one. Even hot dogs have kind of gone up in price. All right, now we're going to sprinkle these with cheese. You can use whatever kind of cheese you want. I'm just using plain old cheddar cheese. It's shredded cheddar cheese. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put this in a 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes. That's it. All right, I'm letting my hamburger, the extra hamburger, cool, and then I'm going to freeze it. I need it for something else, and I'm going to freeze it. I didn't need a whole pound of hamburger, but I needed to cook a whole pound of hamburger. So this is a great way you can freeze this, use it in a different dish, whatever you like. Chili cheese dogs. Okay, we have our chili cheese dogs out of the oven. We don't want them to keep cooking and to burn our bottoms. Ooh, look at that. That's perfect. These are our chili cheese dogs. Now you know they're going to be hot, but you know that don't ever stop me. And you know what else they're going to be? They're going to be crunchy, crispy. Oh my gosh, they're going to be so, so good. All right, guys, these are going to be very crispy, very crunchy, very delicious. And the hot dog is bigger than the bun, and that's what I like. That's so good. I want to say thank you guys for watching, for commenting, for coming and hanging out with me in my kitchen today. You guys are the best audience on YouTube. Hands down, you are. You guys go. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.